Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Snipping Tool to screenshot or any part of your Windows 10 screen in easy way. All you have to do is just go to search and search for Snipping Tool. This is the application. Let's just right click on it and click on Pin to Taskbar. So it will appear in here and it will be pinned in the taskbar. Okay, and when we need this one, we'll just click on it and we just click new, and as you can see I can choose any part from this screen. Like anyway, I will choose any area that I want to screen to get a screenshot of it. As you can see, we just leave the mouse and then it's gonna take the screenshot of that area. And what we have to do right now to save it, just click on this one. You can edit it, like erase just like some simple things in here. And to save this one, just click on Save Snap and then go to the place that you want to place it. For example, on desktop. And in here you can change the name of this image and click on Save. If I just close this one, it's gonna show here. As you can see, it's gonna appear in the desktop. Let's just open it. And this is the image that we just take a screenshot of it with a high quality, of course. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.